Kiriga kiariria mathomo macukuru-ini megucokereria gigithie na mbere, nao arugamiriri a macukuru maikiro itiganite makoretwo makihanyukania na gutigirira ni mahingia mawatho maria magathikitwo ni Ministry ya Ugima wa Mwiri kuri macukuru mbere ya mahingurwo, na ruhonge rwa kurugamirira cukuru cia urutani wa kothi cia moko rukiuga gicunje kinene kia macukuru maria mari rungu rwa ruhonge ruru ni makinyanirie ikiro.
We are dealing with the technical institution once they have been given the instruction and the protocols. Quite a number of them have actually made a lot of progress. We could be talking about 60-70%.
Akiaria thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Thika, kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, murugamiriri munene wa cukuru ici Kiprui Lagat augite hari ona gicunje kia macukuru gitari kirakinyaniria maundu maria magathikitwo, akimoria kuhanyukia mehariria maya niguo macukuru mahingurirwo mirango mathomo matikahingike ni kwaga gukinyaniria ikiro.
When we will be advised by government to reopen, we make sure that those protocols have been followed, and we instructed the principal and the management to address that.
Cukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Thika ni umwe wa cukuru iria ruhonge ruru ruiganire na ikiro iria ikinyaniirio, no ri no hoti wa kwamukira arutwo 4,000 aria ni gicunje kia 75 hari igana kia muigana wa arutwo aria mangiiganira guku.
Taratara iria tuhetwo ni thirikari ni turathi na mbere na kumikira, na ni turamwirira ati ciana ona cioka guku ni igakorwo ci save guthoma ona gwika igeranio ciao ona me workshop-ini.
A lot of grounds have been covered. A few things still are remaining, which I think within the next 1 week or so.
Next 1 week or thereabout, we should be able to reprogram ourselves, retimetable the way we run our classes, so that we can accommodate the entire students population.
Mamwe ma maundu maria cukuru ici cia urutani wa kothi cia moko megukorwo na ugaruruku munene wona mutaratara wa mathomo macukuru-ini maya wacokereria ni kugarurira uria magongona ma kuhumba thumbi arutwo matabanagio itemi-ini ria gukunderia mieke ya andu aingi kugomana handu hamwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.